Imagine an SUV that not only dominates the road with brute force, but pampers you with first-class luxury. Meet the 2026-2027 Mercedes-Benz GLE 63 AMG. This isn't just a performance SUV. It's a rolling masterpiece, blending speed, comfort, and tech like never before. But what makes this beast so special? Let's break it down into 7 jaw-dropping reasons why the GLE 63 AMG is the SUV you didn't know you needed. Stick around because number 6 might just blow your mind. What happens when you combine a 4.0L twin-turbo V8 with a mild hybrid boost? You get an earth-shattering 700-plus horsepower, estimated, and enough torque to launch this beast like a sports car. This thing goes 0-60 in under 3.5 seconds, making it faster than some Ferraris. Imagine pulling up next to a Porsche 911 at a red light in your family SUV, and when the light turns green, boom, you leave them in the dust. That's the kind of power we're talking about. Mercedes knows we love a good exhaust note, and the active exhaust system ensures this AMG purrs like a lion when you want it to, but can also go silent for those early morning starts. Picture this. You're sneaking out for a midnight snack run, and your car starts up in quiet mode so you don't wake the neighbors. But the moment you hit the highway, unleash the beast, and it roars like thunder. The next-gen MBUX Hyperscreen is here, stretching across the entire dashboard. It's so smart it predicts your next move. Need the massage seats on? It knows. Want your favorite playlist? It's already playing. It's like having a personal butler that just knows what you want before you do. Imagine getting into your car after a long day, and without touching a button, your GLE 63 AMG activates ambient lighting, starts your relaxation program, and plays your favorite chill track. That's next-level luxury. AMG's new active ride control and rear-wheel steering make this GLE feel like a sports sedan. Imagine taking a tight curve, and instead of feeling like you're driving a bulky SUV, it glides through the turn like a C63 AMG coupe. Say goodbye to that typical top-heavy SUV feeling. Whether you're weaving through city traffic or carving up a mountain road, this thing drives like it's on rails. Step inside, and it's a 5-star experience. Asterisk, asterisk, diamond-stitched leather, heated and cooled seats, and even a fragrance system asterisk, asterisk that makes your car smell like a luxury hotel. Picture this. You're stuck in LA traffic for an hour, but instead of being miserable, you turn on your built-in massaging seats, set the ambient lighting to a cozy sunset glow, and sip on your favorite coffee from the heated cup holders. Suddenly, traffic isn't so bad anymore. Yes, you heard that right. This AMG can go off-road with an all-new off-road drive mode. Picture taking this high-performance monster on a road trip. Maybe you spot an unpaved scenic route. Just flip to AMG Trail mode, and suddenly, this beast conquers dirt roads like a Land Rover. You pull up at your campsite in a 700-horsepower AMG, proving luxury and adventure can go hand in hand. Mercedes is rumored to be limiting production, making this one of the rarest GLE 63 AMGs ever. If you get your hands on one, you're driving a collector's item. Imagine rolling into a car meet, and while everyone is looking at Lamborghinis and McLarens, your ultra-rare GLE 63 steals the show because no one else has one. Now that's exclusivity. So there you have it. Asterisk, asterisk, 7 insane reasons, asterisk, asterisk, why the 2026-2027 Mercedes-Benz GLE 63 AMG is the ultimate luxury performance SUV. From its mind-blowing power to next-gen tech, this isn't just a car, it's an experience. Would you pick this over a Lamborghini Urus or BMW X5M? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic car content. Rocket fire!